In this video, we will show you how to replace your front sway bar bushings on the Chevy Silverado. These will be located under the front of your vehicle. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your sway bar under the front of your vehicle. Along each side where the sway bar connects to the frame is where you're going to find your sway bar bushings. The process to remove one is the exact same thing as the other side of the vehicle. When you do these, you do them as a pair. Before we remove those mounting bolts, let's go ahead and apply a little bit of support underneath the sway bar. Continue on to removing both brackets from each side of the bar. Use our 10mm here for the mounting bolts. A quick inspection of those mounting bolts. If it looks like they have to be replaced, now's a perfect time to do so. Once you have that off of there, you can take hold of the bracket itself and slide it out of place. A quick inspection of that to double check it's not rotted as well. This one looks fine. At this point, you could lower the bar and remove that sway bar bushing, but since we're doing them as a pair, let's make our way over to the other side of the vehicle. Let's continue on to slowly lowering the bar down just far enough that we can remove each one of those bushings. There we are. With this lowered down, we can take hold of the bushing, give it a little tug to remove it from the bar. There it is, friend. The next thing you'll want to do is make sure that you clean and inspect the mounting points. We want to clean the bar and, of course, clean and inspect the frame as well. Continue on with a little bit of lubricant in the area where your brand new bushing will sit. And now it's time to install our brand new front sway bar bushing. For the bushing itself, you remember with the original, it does have that small slotted area for the bar to fit through. When I go to install these, typically I like to have the slotted area facing towards the rear of the vehicle, so it's less likely that moisture will make its way inside. Let's work in that lubricant. Okay, pause on this side and make your way over to the other side of the sway bar and do the exact same thing. Let's start raising the bar into the proper position and we'll continue on with our brackets. For each one of those brackets, I typically like to add a little bit of lubricant along the metal portion here. That'll help keep moisture away from that area and prevent it from rusting and rotting. Continue on with the bracket, sliding it into place. After that, you're going to start in each of the two mounting bolts. Don't tighten them up yet. We're going to make our way over to the other side and do the exact same thing. Okay, both of these are started. Let's make our way over there. All right, let's snug them up. With everything started in, snug them up, torque them to 24 foot-pounds. Remove your support. Okay friend, we finished our installation of our front sway bar bushings. They look amazing. At this point, safely make your way out from underneath the vehicle, take your vehicle for a road test, make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.